event ng OWA ngayon dito sa Benguet Sport Complex. Benguet Sports Complex, Wangal, La Trindad, Benguet. Hello mga ka-wonders of the world, na-invite pala ako dito sa OWA Car Family Day 2024. Wangal Sports Complex. Wow! Ayun oh, may nagluluto ng pagkain. Alright.
Let's just have fun and praise God as we celebrate because history is important.
Taga-Tuba. Ang Taga-Tuba. Dubai. At Trinidad.
Good morning, man. How about basketball?
Yay! Taga-Baguio.
Okay? Yung mga walang po, pwede naman sila bumabol. Pero, parang kasi ako naman po si John, and we are your host today. Okay? So, welcome to yung Family 2024! Palakpakan naman dyan! Mga kailangan mo! Ayan! So, magpapakagusing lang po tayo. Pag sinabi ko, hello, ano sa doon? Ngayon, magawin natin. Pag sinabi ko hello, sasabihin niyo po yung municipality niyo. Hello? Hello? Mga kising na. Sige, simula na po tayo. Hi, Columbus, everyone. This is Dan.
How can you be a PhilHealth member? All Filipinos are automatic members of PhilHealth as provided for in the UAC law. All you need to do is register for hassle-free benefit availability. PhilHealth has made enrollment very convenient. A prospective member may visit any PhilHealth regional office, branch office, local health insurance office, and PhilHealth Express to fill out the PhilHealth member registration form or PMRF. Supporting documents may also be attached to the different. Parents who are 60 years old and above and who are not Philhealth members, and children who are 21 years old and above but with congenital or acquired global disabilities. Students like you are qualified as dependent of your parents.
Congrats sa mga nakakuha ng washing machine, refrigerator, at saka smart
Washing
TV.
machine with the spinner. Yan yung refrigerator.
Congratulations sa mga nakakuha ng washing machine, ref at saka smart TV. Thank you so much for watching, beautiful people. Goodbye for now. This is Connor Ellinger and I'm signing off. See you next time.